Welcome. If you're looking for the easiest way to share a Google Drive file with your group, you're in the right place. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing important documents, or just want everyone to have access to the same file, Google Drive makes it simple. Here's an updated, step-by-step guide to get your file into everyone's hands quickly. Start by opening the Google Drive app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your Google account details and head straight to your Drive homepage. Browse through your files and locate the one you want to share with your group. Once you've found your file, look to the right of its name. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Tap those 3 dots to open up a list of actions you can take with your file. From the menu, select Copy Link. Google Drive will instantly generate a shareable link for your file and copy it to your clipboard. This link is the key to giving your group access. No need to enter everyone's email address or adjust complicated settings. Now, open your favorite group chat app. This could be WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, Slack, or any other platform your group uses to communicate. In the chat, simply paste the link you just copied from Google Drive and send it to the group. When your group members click the link, they'll be able to view or interact with the file, depending on the permissions you've set. If you want to control whether they can just view, comment, or edit, you can adjust these settings in Google Drive before copying the link. Just tap the 3 dots, go to Share, and set the desired access level. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, your Google Drive file is now available to your entire group, making collaboration fast and effortless. Give it a try and keep your teamwork running smoothly with Google Drive's simple sharing features.